Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today we are doing our mini Mondays. We have $30 here and we are going to get started. I love mini Mondays. They're so fun. A great way to save for my sinking funds for next month. So we're doing $2 per challenge that gets rolled. I hope you guys are having a great Monday and a great start to your week. Let me know how your Monday has been in the comments below and what you have going on this week. It's a normal week for me. I have work. I feel like the year at school is winding down. Basically, once we're going to add 2 to this one just because it didn't get anything. Once April hits, it really feels like we don't have that much time left in the school year because May is full of end of year stuff, award ceremonies, testing, and all that good stuff. So I really feel like I don't have a lot of time left with the kiddos. I'm teaching them French, but that's how it is. It always goes by so fast at the end of the year, I feel like. Okay, so this first challenge is by Faith, Hope, and Budgeting, and we have each sunflower is $2. So we have $2 to add today. So we'll fill in one of those. And so this challenge has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we need $2 more to finish this one. So we'll set that aside for now. All right, this next one is Kitten Whiskers. This was in my Ko-fi shop as a freebie. So we have $2 that we're adding to this. 1, 2. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 total right now. Get in there. All right, so there's that one. All right, next challenge is by Restoration by Autumn. This is her National Margarita Day in February. We started it kind of late at the end of February, so we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4 today. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in here. I will have all these channels linked below so you guys can go check them out. Show them some love and support. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. If you like what you're seeing, and head over to their shops so you can get some of these freebies. Okay, next we have this one. This one is in my Ko-fi shop. Our Girls in Paris. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of these are so disorganized. All right, there we go, $10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we need $1 left to finish this one. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So close to being done with that one. All right, then we have this one. This is by Trina at Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budget. So each of these icons is $2. So we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 this week. So we get to fill in 4 of these. So here's 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, and so we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And we have $1 that still has no place to go. So So we'll just keep that right there. All right, and then this one is by Vicky at Vicky Thinks. This was our collaboration to reach 300 subscribers, which we have both reached. And so we're adding $1, $2, $3, $4 today. So let's see, we can do 2 and this 2 right here. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so we didn't finish any challenges today, but that's okay. We will definitely finish some next time, I think. We have a couple that are so close to being done. All right, so that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me and hanging out. I hope you all have a great rest of your Monday and a great rest of your week, and I will see you tomorrow for Tiny Tuesdays. Bye.